This episode of Aizan's Funny Signs and Memes contains content, language, flashing images, and loud noises, and is unsuitable for viewers under 13 years of age. Parental guidance is advised.
When the squad passes me the aux cord. This is what happens when you blast a song very loud.
If someone did that inside a car, will it explode? I didn't mean it literally.
Drive slow and see our city. Drive fast and see our jail.
See our jail and you'll spend years there. Ha 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 ha.
96 calories of gold. Does gold be referred to as beer?
I don't think beer has real gold, but it sure has a golden color.
Caution, this sign has sharp edges. Do not touch the edges of this sign. Maybe that sign's sharp edges might be useful as a hobby knife for cutting paper.
Or maybe it's useful for cutting food, like a kitchen knife.
Or as a deadly weapon for killing.
No murderous thoughts, Sam!
Sorry.
Warning. Evacuate the island if you hear a short blasts. On the fly, short blasts. Do they mean gunshots? Watch where you're shooting, Hank.
Sorry, Jimmy. I was just practicing my shots.
Well, I never knew Hank as a marksman.
Thanks, Aizan. I practiced my marksmanship over the weekend.
You think safety is a joke? Well, someone put a caution wet floor sign on the swimming pool.
Isn't anyone dumb enough to do this? Because the pool water is not a wet floor.
Imagine going swimming in that pool and you see that sign.
Thank you, taxpayers. This is where your taxes go. You think the floodwater is where your paid taxes can go.
Bacon, bacon, needs more bacon. Always pay your taxes. Taxes of bacon. In a sea of bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Sea of bacon!
Lick the nuts, 600 miles. Might be the place where you lick all sorts of nuts. This should be where I can lick peanuts, walnuts, almond nuts, and cashew nuts. Ha 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 ha.
Pants must be worn at the hips at all times. Maybe it's a right way to wear bottom garments.
I agree, Michael. Everyone can wear their pants, shorts, and other bottom garments.
I don't always binge watch on Netflix, but when I do, it's endless.
Which is why you shouldn't binge when you're using a streaming app.
Maybe I'm the only one here who can binge watch. I even saw the entire second season of Squid Game.
You know, I only watch 1 to 2 episodes of a show when using a streaming app.
Like Netflix, Disney Plus and Max.
Exactly.
Does your blinker not work for what? That's why you should always use the turn signal when you're in an intersection.
People use the turn signal when making a left or right turn in the avenue. Support your local pole dancer. It's not about the money, it's about keeping you turned on. Ha 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 ha.
Mary should be a pole dancer at a strip club. Raffle.
Stay calm, Mary. Sam's only kidding. Keep your cool. Oh. Tantrum. Coming on. Microsoft Sam, when will you take those lewd jokes off your head, you pervert.
This bus on red. Listen, that bus is yellow, not red.
That bus even has the no right turn sign.
Couronis everywhere. That's a lot of couronis. Hog.
HMMMM. The buoy says, yeah buoy. But why is there a kid coming out of the water?
Yeah, boy!
That's why.
Fart control. 2 to 12 kilometers.
Ew. Zira, go clean yourself up. Oh, I spoke too soon.
Later, after Mary and Zira cleaned themselves up.
Pizza time. Screw pizza, I'm sticking with my bologna sandwiches.
I'm sticking with my tacos too.
That meme is right. It is pizza time. Cause it's time to eat some pizza! Woo! Shut up, audience.
Next image!
Restricted. Under 17 requires accompanying parent or adult guardian.
For all of it. Seriously, they treated the ratings guide like a checklist. We were a little impressed. They went for the high score.
Does that mean most of the movies are rated R?
Aizan does watch movies with that rating sometimes. True story.
That's a weird picture. I didn't know there are Coke bottles named Rose and Jack. What's this? Titanic?
Oh noes. Mike, you're hanging on a cliff. Hold on, Mike, I'll never let go.
I'm trying, Mary. If I fall, you tell Sam I love you.
Mike, you're losing your grip. I think you're gonna. Fall.
Ouch. My head. My neck. My legs. My rib cage. My sphincter. Ow. Later, after Mike was recovered at the hospital from his multiple injuries from falling off the cliff.
Save a brain, wear a bicycle helmet. This explains why you should always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle.
Once I was in a bicycle accident, I grazed my chin. True story.
Ich bin ein echter Stars. Ich werde nie satt. Das habe ich in 2 Minuten gepackt.
Please don't flush napkins, sanitary towels, paper towels, gum, old phones, unpaid bills, junk mail, your ex's sweater, hopes, dreams or goldfish, down this toilet.
Never flush bacon down the toilet or you're getting the bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Now I'm going to flush Sam's highway cookies and tacos down the toilet. XD, 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 sus, 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 sus.
Take it easy, Sam. Scotty is only joking. Remain calm. Oh no. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, dang, crap, rain hours here. Stop, you leave my way cookies and tacos alone, you dummy.
Your wife is hot. Better get the AC fixed.
Maybe Scotty should fix the AC while admiring Beulah's hotness. Ha.
One more saying about my relationship with Beulah and your toast.
Sheesh.
Josh the sheesh!
Due to less pollution, the files stored on the cloud are now clearly visible.
Which means you can see icons of every file in the clouds. Ha 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 ha.
If you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing.
Well, this sign means something, and that is...
No deception!
Stop farting, Kevin. Who thought farting on a person named Kevin is a good idea?
You know I can't smell some farts from a mile away. Pu.
Free Wi-Fi, starting at $59.99. Whenever Aizan runs out of cellular data, he should pay for free Wi-Fi. XD, sus.
Very funny, Scotty. You know, everyone can connect to free Wi-Fi by visiting an establishment. I did connect to free Wi-Fi at a mall several times.
That's neat, Aizan. You often connect when you're in the mall with your family.
Defy all the gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. Well, Beulah, all your thoughts of defying gravity makes me want to do it. Do what? Doing Elphaba battle cry. Abby, you're doing it wrong. It's like this.
Enough with the wicked references! Again!
Sheesh.
Josh the sheesh!
Ich bin ein echter Stars. Ich werde nie satt. Ich will alle Tournament spielen!
Imagine going to a public park and you see a lawn protected by cannons. Stepping on it will set off a cannon to fire at you. Raffle.
Would it be stupid when a cannon fires at me if I step on it? Yo! That cannon blasted my face! Yo!
Ouch! That cannon blast hurt so much.
Scotty was sent to the hospital for his third-degree burn treatment on his face from a cannon blast. After he was released,
Bully picks a fight with you after school? Go Super Saiyan and punch him through a mountain.
I should do that whenever Sam calls me a butt wipe. Ha 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 ha. Ouch. Sam, you poop head. Ow.
That's what you get for lying when I call you that.
Due to recent events, Ouija wars are no longer permitted on the patio.
I wonder why did they put this rule?
Probably because there were concerns of ghosts and other spirits.
Poop and scoop. You know it's disgusting to pick up your own poop, right?
It sure is. Picking up poop makes me sick. Ew. Ew.
For Barbara, who was awful when hungry but otherwise pretty solid.
Barbara was hungry, so I fed her the bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Maybe we should give Barbara some vegetables, because they are healthy.
An adventure.
Alpaca my bags. Ha 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 ha.
Not dungeous. Wah 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 wah.
Malcontent!
One of these days, Aizan.
Pirates not up track. Looks like the cinema marquee is having a dirty mind. That movie theater did show Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End, not up in Shrek the Third back then.
Well, Jack Sparrow must have had a lot of rum that night.
Stop. If you're not a fly, please do not trigger the fly traps, as this will cause them to digest themselves and eventually die. If you are a fly, please ignore this message, but proceed with caution. Sam should touch the fly traps, because he ignored the sign. Hog 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 hog.
Oh no, those fly traps are going to eat me. Help 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 help.
Ich bin ein echter Gangster, ich höre Techno.
Venus flytraps only devour flies. Sam?
Oh, well I guess they don't eat me.
Next image!
Nut milk is not milk. That's true, because nut milk is basically a vegetarian alternative to regular milk. Nut milk makes you go nuts.
That's better.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Of course it's not a drill, it's a giant hammer. Ha 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 ha.
Down that road again. I don't think it's a road, it's actually the sea.
I agree, Hank. If I go down the road to the sea, I'd blob blob blob.
Well, all Mike needs is some swimming lessons.
Did you just razz me?
Nobody is still razzing you. Sam?
That's still our time's up air horn.
If we don't get out of here, we'll never bring home the bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
How about we'll take Sam's rufflecopter to fly us out of here?
Good thinking, Mary. Sam, let's use the rufflecopter to fly us out.
Ready to go, Aizan. All aboard. We are taking off.
This episode of Aizan's Funny Signs and Memes is brought to you by Kurger Bing. Wait a second, that's wrong!
It's better than CFK. Fermented. Crotch Kicks. First brokers.
First brokers?
February. The Dave Madsen of the Philippines you know is getting a big change. Introducing